Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to customize the tiles menu or the tiles list on this watch. First, let's open the tiles menu, and to do it on this watch, press the home button to wake up the screen, and once you wake up the screen you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe left on the screen to scroll through the list of tiles, and here we have it. And we can customize this list. First thing we can do with it, we can add new tiles. To do it, scroll all the way to the right and find the add tiles button and tap on it. And here you have the list of tiles you can add, find the one you like and tap on it to add it. And here we have it. Another thing you can do is to remove the tiles. To remove the tiles, press and hold on one to enter the editing mode, and here you can tap on the minus icon to remove it. Of course, you can also tap on add tiles to add another one if you want to. And one more thing you can do is to change the order of the tiles. So for example, let's say you want to move weather to the last position. To do it, press and hold on the tile and drag it to the position you want it to be in, and then release it like this. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back, and you will see that the changes applied. You can also customize this in the phone application if your watch is paired with a phone. So I'm gonna move this to the side, bring the phone here, wake up the screen on the phone, and let me close this up quickly, zoom out the camera so you can see the whole screen. Okay, and now we can open the Galaxy wearable application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, you should see your Galaxy Watch 6 Classic, and here you should see the tiles option. Tap on it, and here we can customize the tiles. Again, we can add a new tile by tapping on it right here from the list. We can remove the tile by tapping on the minus icon like this, and we can change the order by pressing and holding on one and then dragging it to the position you want it to be in. And once you're done customizing this, you can tap on save and the changes will apply. And that's how you customize the tile menu or tiles list on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.